Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Debank gas fee optimization. Debank is a popular platform that helps users manage their cryptocurrency transactions and optimize their gas fees. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use Debank gas fee optimization and provide you with best practices to save time and money. First, let's understand what gas fees are. Gas fees are the costs associated with executing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. These fees are paid to miners who validate and process transactions. The higher the gas fee, the faster your transaction will be processed. To get started with Debank gas fee optimization, you need to create an account on the Debank website. Once you have created your account, you will be directed to the dashboard where you can view your portfolio and transaction history. To optimize your gas fees, click on the transaction you want to optimize and select the gas fee option. Debank will provide you with 3 options: low, medium, and high. The low option is the most cost-effective, but it may take longer to process your transaction. The high option is the fastest, but it will cost you more. Debank also provides a gas fee calculator that helps you estimate the cost of your transaction based on the current market conditions. You can use this calculator to determine the optimal gas fee for your transaction. Another feature of Debank is the gas fee alert system. This system sends you notifications when the gas fees are low, so you can take advantage of the low fees and save money. Best practices for using Debank gas fee optimization include monitoring the gas fees regularly, using the gas fee calculator to estimate costs, and setting up gas fee alerts to notify you of low fees. It's also important to consider the urgency of your transaction and choose the gas fee option accordingly. In conclusion, Debank gas fee optimization is a powerful tool that helps you save time and money on your cryptocurrency transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the best practices, you can optimize your gas fees and make the most out of your transactions. Remember to always monitor the gas fees and adjust your strategy accordingly to get the best results.